Check this out, just over $9,000 in sales, only 11 sales, and this is just in 3 days, first week. So how did I earn that much money in just a few days? How am I gonna earn even more money over the next few weeks? How are my checks gonna grow? How am I gonna help even more people get these benefits while helping them make money? There's no other company out there that's helping 7 people. You can put 7 people on one plan for a very low price, for less than the price of a cell phone bill, internet. You can actually protect your whole family. So you can protect the whole family on one plan for one low fee, and I can show you guys how to offset those costs and actually make money. So you're gonna break even. I'm gonna show you how to break even, and I'm gonna show you how to make money with this plan. Death. It's a guarantee that we're gonna die. We don't know how, we don't know when. What we know for certain is that it's going to happen no matter what. Why don't you prepare yourself for that? And also learn how you can make some good money in the process. Join my team and you're gonna be getting access to the winning formula. You're gonna be getting all the best lead generation tactics, the sales funnels, resources, training, follow-up, support. All that stuff is gonna be with my team and we're gonna be crushing it, getting dozens to hundreds of sales weekly, and we want you to be part of it. MCA 2.0, why am I calling this opportunity MCA 2.0? Because this reminds me of that company, MCA, back 9 years ago that I found that allowed me to earn big upfront commission, advanced commissions, overrides as well as residuals, but the residuals weren't all that. The overrides were so. This is a company that's been around, okay, for over 70 years in Latin America and just most recently the United States, and it's really untapped. Like us kind of people, our internet marketers haven't even stumbled across it yet. So guess what's gonna happen? The same thing that happened back then. Once they realize the massive commission potential,
I'm a fucking millionaire!
all right, the advanced commissions, bigger overrides, and bigger residuals, there's gonna be a flood coming, so you're gonna wanna pay attention. So I'm gonna read some key points about this opportunity, and if it makes sense, you're gonna wanna contact me or whoever is showing you this, all right? This is a direct sales opportunity. This is not MLM. There are no chargebacks. If you know anything about sales or you've done any type of advanced commission structure, life insurance or MCA or anything like that, FES, credit repair, when people stop paying, it's a chargeback, and you lose out on your future commissions. There's none of that over here. Okay, massive advanced commissions. Everybody needs this service, like everybody. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're rich, poor, black, white, Latin, Asian, Indian, it doesn't matter where you're from, everybody needs this, okay? This is an easy sell with team support. You're gonna earn up to $720 for every $245 sale. You're gonna earn up to $480 for every $170 sale. This is massive. You're gonna earn up to $450 overrides from your team. That's if you want to be a builder, okay? This is a 70-year-old company. This is not a pre-launch. They're already paying, they've already been paying. It's just that you haven't seen it online until guys like me start coming around because right now it's very old school, but we're gonna be switching things up a little bit. Final expense benefits. This is not a topic that a lot of people want to talk about or think about, or you don't see too many people out there selling it, right? But I decided to get into this, tap into this market because let's face it, we're all gonna go, it doesn't matter. And every day, especially recently, you don't go more than a couple of days without logging into Facebook or Instagram and seeing an RIP somewhere, whether it was because of this current, pandemic, the disease, violence, car accidents, it doesn't matter. People are going left and right, and a lot of them aren't even prepared for it, and it leaves a burden on their loved ones, okay? Especially if they don't have any insurance. What this program is, it's a plan, it's a benefits package. It is not life insurance, it's something totally different, okay? We're gonna talk about it. You're gonna keep watching. You're gonna see information either below or after this video, after I finish talking. Stay tuned. You're gonna find out how you can benefit yourself and 6 others, all right, for less than $50 or $70 depending on where you are. This is a benefit package that I got for myself, okay, and my family members, so that we can just set it and forget it, all right? We just take care of it one time and we don't have to worry about it. We can go about living our lives, and part of living life is making money, so we can do as much as possible while we're here above ground. And I want to help a lot of other people do the same. So if you're looking for an opportunity to make some great money, providing something that everybody needs in a simple way, you're gonna want to stay tuned. You're gonna want to contact me. You're gonna want to get involved with Assure for Life. Let me tell you what's gonna happen. Just like MCA 9 years ago, almost 10, right? I got involved a few days ago, last week. I was able to get several sales. I'm gonna get paid for that on the 22nd or 23rd of this month, which is next week, September 2021. And once that happens, once the proof is out that this company pays and provides you know, this service that is so needed by every community out there, it's gonna cause a frenzy. It's gonna attract a lot of other marketers, and we're all gonna just grow our checks, okay? I'm anticipating my check to be anywhere between $3,500 to $4,000 the first week, and it's only gonna go up from there. And that proof is gonna be able to help myself. It's gonna be able to help a lot of other people, and I'm spending a lot of time helping people. The next step, within the next couple of months, I'm gonna be getting together with other leaders in this company, and I also plan to get my own office locally. So stay tuned for that, because I wanna hit those ranks to where the company is gonna actually pay for my physical office, all right, here in South Florida. Stay tuned for that. But if you are somebody that's looking for an opportunity, something that you can do stable, something that you can do long time, because I know a lot of you guys know that I'm a serial entrepreneurial kind of guy, and you know, every other month I'm doing something new. But this is something that I plan to do for a long time, as long as it's paying, and it's been paying. I've seen the proof. I'm like, yeah, this is definitely something that I can stick around with. So if you want to be part of that, go ahead and contact me. There's probably gonna be a website somewhere here, or wherever you're watching this. Get back with me, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, email me, whatever the case may be, and let's make it happen.